everyone, today let's learn how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok in 2023. The process is very simple. First of all, of course, you should find a video with using CapCut. As you can see in my specific case, here says CapCut free video editor. If I tap on this option, I can use this CapCut in my specific video. But if you not see this option, it's okay. First solution what I recommend you do is open up the settings application and check updates on your device. So simply scroll down, tap on general, then tap on software update and check for new updates. If you have some new updates, you just tap on download and install. Second solution, after updates, you can check updates on TikTok application. So open up App Store, tap on search bar at the bottom right corner of the screen, write TikTok, find TikTok application, tap on TikTok application, and as you can see here says open. But if you see update, that means you just tap on update and update TikTok application. Alright, if you do all correct, you just open up TikTok application, and if you not see any video with using CapCut, you can find this CapCut all video in one place. So basically you just on main page tap on search icon at the top right corner of the screen over here, then write CapCut templates, and you'll be able to see all CapCut's video in one place. You just scroll down. Alright, if you want to use some of this CapCut to your video, you just tap on this specific video and then tap on CapCut free video editor and tap use template in CapCut.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.